deny or disputing the fact that we are smiling, but I tell you, Sanka NDC in a waswa, and ka dear woman, ka wo besan betray school fees account, ka bisu. NDC in a waswa, and ka electricity, would them 1 year free, wouldn't you be that? And ka wo betray annual desum, that is their legacy. That is their legacy. And this will be free NDC move by catcher will say, we are saying, this is Samia. Besides, say, who I actually want. A quite for Ben or no de beba who beto, and yes, a sakeko, Bisano, and yes, over 6 years, and this Muntimin country say, a good father of mine who wouldn't say, yeah, by we wouldn't say, not yet a total moon, and say, near, dear, in Suajin near Tuabama. What the other say, a money my thing, which is normal, now more time, not be any hawker and you whom dear course. This is just a tip of the iceberg. And then, me say, Sebi, Mpasiaphobia Becasa, we have to respond. Yes, sir, said the die Becanti. Maka and Una me Tumrika. Yes, Nipa Hunubi, your friend of Martin Kpebu. Or better, one of the useless TV stations, TV3. Omoya TV3, Omoya Muamai. Very, very wicked. One can Kpebu TV3. Useless media a yiba kono. Omodo my man been said. Even social man. Time and an call Kumase. Eko bie Bangalore yes modern. Edima high call almost o man. Na this is for Jimmy phobia. Ye more one Ghana. Omo ye valueless. Yes so mo ko gina so mo ko ye wu no de. Omo kwate ye ebe kan hu ye hu dede. Omo akwakofa nipa hunu bi. Your friend of Martin Kpebu. Tena ho no mu ba be bisa Akufo-Addo say is the president okay? You are a fool. Martin Kpebu me catch now. You if you ask the president say he's okay, I'm asking you, are you normal? Are you in your right senses? How dare you insult a certain president? Adanya obi so onye kwa ama no ama president aka say untimi mfa vote into entertainment. Ubejina tem uwia now ukwisi trace so adaya say I'm not afraid to die. Jimmy for like you who has time to come and hunt you. Martin Kpebu windim nyansa. We will not sit down and watch you people to go about fooling like that. Me say sabi Jimmy phobia kasa mo me enye wawa na enyu o ma no ntem because ye ba ye nche kusunu ye de bi ko abu akwa de medical ka ho asem wiase din a economic hardship aba wiase, and for that matter Ghana part of a wiase nintino Ghana ye den and there obi obeka say Ghana enye din bia ne sin who truth be told aye den na Ghana na aye den no enye Ghana ko ndira me sha say wiase aye den na Ghana so she wiase no mu bi enti Ghana be ye den enti Ghana ehyewa aba Ghana any din aye yet ase enti for the ordinary Ghanaian innocent one esugu Akufo-Addo so kase na omanu mu aye din of course mpanifo se ye di jawa na ye di asoa enti they have every right say omobeka sa akura wo ne o maame ana o papate na no mama den na komo de o na obeka kire papa I strongly believe in you komo de me mama duani ni kama enka boni bia nye den enim nti ye omo no sa ne de ye ju omo de tum but somebody oye NDC ni wono to na ba edima NDC kita asese ne proye ni Ghana de aye nyina omo ye contributing factor ebetena ha kase Ghana ye dina na ye ntiase panto muntie ni ye machemu mienu. Some people have genuine concern say Ghana aye din aye she, that's okay na enye Ghana nko ewiase nyina but Ghana she na aye no we cannot influence anchire MPP so say MPP na ama wiase aye din obeka sa sebi ebia na unim de wo wiase nsem ni se de wiase kono wo fom enti yentimi nkase wa hyeda but yentimi fa yensa mbekire na Akufo-Addo so say Ghana ayedin na Akufo-Addo na akofa aba ene ba hu say NDC fo no o ma yire o mo ho bubo na anwa bo ye say of course ebe yes because when demand demand ebro supply too much, prices increase. Obi anwa why economics are we obedi hu ada chinye. Say nipa pe bibia yusu na ade no susu a ketu abi na wo ade no bo be koso. Ewiase nyina leading producer of oil, Ukraine. Do your background check. And then womuna omugina kono no. Oil omujai produce. Enti de wo fie na ebi free baby ebeba be support no ejai. So that say enti no wo de eketua na wona enso nti akofa bi free Ukraine be support no. And be free Ukraine man nti wo de eketua na wo no wo be kire so. Enti no mo mbedem etiase. But so do sabe kire say MPP na ama no mo mind ntu kwa akofa mahama aba pa na say DC aba ne de dua wa bomusuo because omo time na world crisis bibia ni ho no Ghana ye denia ma NDC for ka kire say if you cannot live in Ghana pack your things and go to Togo. Omo ka kire I stand to be corrected. I'm saying omo chairman kwa blend Jane and make his comment and say if you cannot live in Ghana, pack your things and go to Togo. Na sata mo do mo nsafunya edisika munya no. But Ghanaians kept quiet. And sometimes I sit back and make one. They make any say maybe Ghanaians have too much confidence in Akufo-Addo. That's why everybody is crying because Mahama time they didn't cry. They kept quiet because omo say we uko catch na want to be nya onfoko omo ntimi nya hwe do omo be ya ni se sikadie na no be cause we enti menankasa. But today people are talking. They are talking because they still have confidence in the MPP government. Say yemaye yenim so obetima ye. That's okay. Enti eno de yem be trahan be deny fact, but enye Akufo-Addo led MPP no ento to ye na ama wiase ayedin. O kasa sebi na wa akoye dudentwie. O koka obi beka say Ukraine ni Russia doka omo nko e wo Ghana. Da bi omo nko wo Ghana. Bisa uni a wo Europe say Ukraine ni Russia doka omo nko wo ni kroma na. Twena me fa de bi entro na eti de me kana se. Mesi ene yen kasa nche bebre. Me bo video kitu e bi de akiro no ati de me kanu ase. Let me repeat.
France, Italy, Belgium, Spain. 4 leading European economies. All 4 have witnessed mass protests in recent days. All 4 happened because of exactly the same reasons. Rising food prices, out of control energy bills, and lower wages. Basically, the ongoing cost of living crisis. It is now hitting Europe hard. Today, Europe witnessed one more protest in France. Yes, the European power is quickly becoming a hotspot for these protests. Just look at these visuals. Over the weekend, we saw large crowds on the streets of Paris, and today,